stuff I remember going there. You would get
And
She went to all kinds of stuff.
we
She was
go
the
to
master
Grandma
at
Davin's every Sunday for dinner
Yeah.
and have red snapper.
Yep.
And we'd be doing green beans. I know the kids would go out on the side yard and be doing the green beans.
Yeah.
And Grandpa Daffin would every day be feeding his garden, the coffee grounds. He had the biggest, fattest fish and worms you've ever imagined.
Yep.
And I also remember Grandma and Grandpa Daffin, when we were living in South Carolina, every November, early November, they would send a big box of shelled pecan halves from the tree in the backyard, and my mother would do all her holiday baking with these pecan halves that they had. And you get this box, and it was an amazing box of shelled pecans. And, sweet memories.
Yeah.
And I remember Grandpa and Grandma Daffin in their retirement ages were huge fishermen. And they would go to the bayous and go up into Mobile and up into, I don't even know the names of all the places, but I know they had one of those silver fishing boats that you could trailer, and they would go with the horns, and the four of them would go to these fish camps, and they would fish their hearts out, and amazing couples that I think enjoyed their retirement greatly.
Yeah.